Hello. I just wanted to talk about uploading your syllabus. If you have a Word or PDF version of your syllabus, this is going to be very easy. What I did is I just literally copy and pasted everything that I had from my sandbox, and I just put it into a Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to left click it, and then I'm going to highlight everything, every single thing, all the way from the top to the bottom. All right, I'll scroll back up just to make sure I have everything. Then I'm going to right click it and then press copy. And when you go to the sandbox, I'm in my sandbox or your class, it'll say syllabus, where it says HTML editor over here in the right hand corner, it'll actually say edit. And when you edit it, this will be the first screen that shows up. And you'll see a whole bunch of icons here, which is really, really confusing for some people and a little bit too hard to use right away. I wanted to show you just a few of them. So first off, I'm going to paste everything so that you can see what it looks like. And it took a second there, but as you can see, everything is pretty much exactly the way I wanted it. And once I'm ready to do this, do not forget, just like publishing, you must update syllabus. If you do not update the syllabus, which is right here, you will literally have changed nothing. And all that work will be done for nothing. So I'm just going to cancel this because I already had it set that way. Remember, we had the Canvas course status is unpublished. Again, you'll see edit. And I want to show you something very, very important. And this will be really easy. So this is something very important that I think is very useful. I'm going to actually go to where it says reading. So I'm going to put MLA format, and I'm going to highlight this in blue. And the reason why is because if you go to where it says link to URL, and this is what I was trying to tell you earlier, if you have a URL where you have a reading or a video that you want them to look at, you click that, it'll say paste the URL that you want them to look at. And I'm just going to choose the Dow Jones because I want people to know that COVID-19 hasn't made us broke as of yet. And the cool thing about this, I will show you in a second, is that it'll be in blue, right? It'll say MLA format. Well, I want to change that name. And again, you see this line here at the bottom? As long as it's within this line, you can change the name to whatever you want it to be to make it more accessible. So I'm going to call it Dow Jones. Whoops. Dow Jones. And I don't like that word format. I don't want it. And you don't need it. I don't want MLA anymore. I just want to keep that Dow Jones. And again, very important, update syllabus. All right, so that was under week 3. I want to test it. Look at here, week 3, where it used to say MLA format and now says Dow Jones. I'm going to click it once with the left hand, and boom, it brings me to the same exact website as it is right here. I'll just show you so that way you're not like totally confused here. Okay, and there you go. You have it. So that's a very useful little thing that you can do for all students, especially if you know there's some online readings that you want to do. Very, very simple. You just put the link to the URL, you put in the URL link, and it will bring them directly to that. And you can change the name as long as it's in with this little blue, as long as there's a line underneath it. That means students will see it, and you'll see a little thing here that says links to an external site, and it will bring them to the external site. And notice that it goes to a second tab, so that way they could scroll back to the syllabus. That way they're not just doing one or the other, they can do both at the same time.